students, this is Mohammed Ashfaq. In this video, we'll be discussing about missing numbers, which is part of NTSE exam. So we have to find the missing number in this question with the given logic. So here we have given around 8 numbers. With the help of these numbers, we have to find the logic behind this puzzle. So what are the numbers we are having? We can divide this into various forms like rows or in the form of columns. So if we check over here, if we take these 3 numbers, if we sum up these numbers, we will get 9 plus 1 plus 5 is 15. And if we take second row, again 4 plus 8 plus 3 gives 15. And let's give a try with this one. 2 plus 7 is 9, and we have to replace this question mark with 6 to get 15. Do we have 6 in option? Yes, we are having 6 in option. Let's try column wise. If we add these 3 numbers, 9 plus 4 plus 2, which is nothing but 15 again, and again if we add 1 plus 8, we found 6 as a question mark, again it gives 15, and 10, 5, 3, 7 is also a sum of 15. So the question mark will be replaced by number 6, which is in option D. So I hope you got an idea about this question. We'll move to the next question. Find the missing numbers. Here they are given 4 squares, and each square we are having 4 numbers. Only one square has been there with 3 numbers and 1 question mark, and we have to find that question mark. Okay, if we take this first square box, let's apply something. We are having number 7, 2, 4 and 9. If we add together, we'll get 9, 18, 22. Okay, the addition of these 4 numbers is 22. Let's try with the second box. 11, 14, 20, 22. Again 22. Okay, and let's try with this one. 5, 10, 16, 22. So this also gives 22. Obviously we'll try to get an addition of 22, which is nothing but 13. So 22 minus 13, which is nothing but we have 7 over here, 2 over there, and the question mark will be replaced by the number 9, which is in option A. So the correct answer for this question is 9, which is in option A. So each and every sum will be having a certain pattern, and it is our duty to find the logic to reach the answer. With this, I would like to conclude my session. Thank you, students. Have a great day. Bye-bye.